This little device right here is going to light the way. This is Boost Auto's accent lights for their retractable running boards. Both their standard retractables and the M2 running boards like we have on the Silverado. You'll know if you've seen my previous video where I installed the M2 running boards that there is an LED light on the outside of these boards, and that light is focused down towards the ground and outside beside the truck. So what these lights are for is actually to light the top of the step for when you're stepping out of the truck at night so you can see it clearly when it's dark. This mounts to the underside of the body of the truck so that light can flow down onto the step. Should be an extremely simple install, so let's get started. All right, so I've got a couple pieces of duct tape, and the way that I'm going to figure out where I want these located is to kind of see where my foot comes out naturally when I'm getting out of the truck. So right there. So I'm just going to mark that spot on the step with a piece of duct tape. So I know that the light, I want the light located like kind of directly over that section under the truck so that it's mostly lighting like focused where my foot naturally goes. So I'll do the same thing with the rear. So for somebody sitting back here, step out, foot's about right there. So we'll put tape on the step. And so from there, we'll get these lights installed in line with that under the truck. And when we do the passenger side, we'll actually take measurements of where these are located front to back, and we'll use those measurements to get them installed on the passenger side. So let's go ahead and get under the truck right here and get these installed. So the first thing you want to do when installing these is just make sure the step stays out. So I'm going to put my foot on it when I close the door. There we go. I'm going to lay a moving blanket down just to make things a little easier for getting down on the concrete. So putting this in line with the tape for the front, we're looking at something like this right here. So it's 3M tape on the back. So we're going to just clean off the area of the truck. And then we'll take this with the cord facing towards the inside of the vehicle and stick it right here under the truck. That looks pretty good. We'll just do the same thing back here towards the back. We'll clean off the area right here, and then we'll stick this to the truck. So you'll notice that this is actually right here behind this drain plug towards the back. So if these drain plugs are located on the passenger side, I won't actually have to measure. I'll just count the same number of drain plugs on the passenger side and put it beside it. And the same goes for the one for the back door as well. It's right behind a drain plug in the back. So let's just go ahead and check the passenger side and see if we can put them in the same place. So we do have drain plugs on this side as well. So for the front, we'll go 1, 2, 3 behind the third one from the front. And for the rear, we'll go 1, 2, 3 behind the third one from the rear. So we're going to do the exact same thing that we did on the other side. We'll use an alcohol swab to clean off under the truck where the adhesive is going to go, and then mount up the lights using the 3M adhesive on the back. Installing those, real quick took all of 10 minutes, and I am sweating out here just from 10 minutes of doing that. And it was cloudy. It is hot and humid in Georgia right now. But now that we've got those put on the truck, let's talk about the wiring. All of this is extremely plug and play. So there's no splicing, no having to cut into anything. Everything goes directly together with the wiring harness from Boost Auto. So the first thing that you're going to do is we're going to untwist the harness, get this opened up here. So these two ends here plug into the actual lights that we just stuck to the bottom of the truck. The short one goes towards the front, and then the long one goes to the rear of the vehicle. And that's because the other end right here splits between the motor harness for the retractable running boards. Don't know why I had a hard time saying that. So plug this into the rear light. Plug this into the front light. This goes between that motor harness. You'll open it up, plug each of these ends into that. Then once you have that plugged in, you'll use 2 of the included wire loom clips to clip the wire up to the underside of the vehicle to make sure nothing's hanging down. All right, we got both wires hooked up, driver and passenger side, and I just keep sweating, and this isn't even hard work. It's extremely easy to do. It takes all of 15 minutes when you're not recording. It's just really hot out here. But we got everything hooked up and installed. So let's get a quick look, make sure everything works. And then since these are for, at night when it's dark, we'll wait for the sun to go down and get a look and see how the steps are lit up with the accent lights. I just want to open the door here. And now you can see that the light is lit up. You can see those LEDs. Not a lot of light obviously showing up on the step itself since it's daytime, but we do know that the lights are working. Down there's the rear seat light. So let's let the sun go down and take another look.
I came from the mud. There's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon.
Well, there you have it. A very quick and simple install from Boost Auto. I knew this would be a quick one. It's not difficult at all. If you found the video helpful or are interested in the product, give it a nice little thumbs up or let me know down in the comments below. I would really appreciate the interaction on the video. It definitely helps the channel. If you're interested in other Boost Auto accessories for your truck, check out this playlist over here. And make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss future videos of products that I install from Boost Auto. For now, thanks for watching. This is Southpaw Garage signing out.